Hey y'all, it's destinyxlashan and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing my very normal, boring night routine. So what that means is it's not aesthetically pleasing and it's not perfect because I'm just a normal girl who needs some structure and some routine in her life. So I wanted to share my routine with you. Most of you know I'm currently doing 75 hard, which means I have to do two 45-minute workouts a day. So usually by the end of the day, I am tired, but I am committed to doing my two workouts. So I like to start off with just a simple stretch to get my bones and my muscles ready for my low intensity workout, which is putting on my weighted vest and walking on my walking pad. If you care about this weighted vest or the walking pad, I will have it linked in my Amazon storefront. This walking pad has come in handy for those days where I don't really want to leave the house to do my second workout and I just want to get a few more steps in at the end of the day. The goal is always for me to end my day with at least 10,000 steps. And for someone who, has a traditional job where they are leaving their house, that might seem, super easy. But for me, I technically work from home. So it's hard for me to get those 10K steps in, but it's a goal that I'm not going to waver on. Usually while I'm on the walking pad, I like to scroll on TikTok or watch Next Level Chef. Let me know if y'all like that show as much as I do. Sometimes just to add a little bit of razzle dazzle, I like to pick up my 5-pound weights and do a little bit of an arm workout while I'm working. And after that 45-minute workout, I typically make myself a quick and easy protein smoothie. So I like to go for just a regular strawberry and banana mixture. And then this day I added in the protein, protein shake. I got it from Aldi. It's a chocolate protein shake. I think each bottle has about 30 grams of protein, which is great. And I have fallen in love with almond butter over the past few weeks, so I'm adding almond butter into everything. And I got this blender from Walmart. If I'm being honest, I hate this blender. It is so loud. It's so loud to the point where I don't even like to use this blender in the morning. I would prefer to, make a smoothie every morning, but I would honestly feel so bad if my neighbors had to hear this blender every morning. So unfortunately, I only use it during the day or after my workouts, which sucks, but the smoothies definitely make it worth it. So just the regular fruit, protein, almond butter, and then sometimes I might add in a small drop of honey as just a little bit of a sweetener. One thing that I like to do every evening is I like to force myself to do at least one chore. So whether it's sweeping, cleaning the kitchen, loading the dishwasher, taking the trash out, or folding laundry, or just doing a load of laundry, I make myself do at least one chore every evening because it just makes my weeks flow a lot smoother and I'm not having a pile of things to do on the weekends. I know a lot of people, they do their laundry on Sundays, but that pile up of having to do laundry on Sundays honestly stresses me out. So I like to do at least one chore every weekday, and then on the weekends, I usually don't have anything to do as far as housework. So I don't know if that's an easy, trick, but let me know if you try it and if it makes your weeks flow smoother, because it definitely makes mine flow smoother. And just put it on my favorite show while I fold the laundry has become very therapeutic. And then after I do my chore, it is time for my skincare and my shower. Now, I am not one of those creators that have this 12-step elaborate skincare routine. I honestly feel like simplicity is the best thing you can do when it comes to routines for your skin. I cleanse it, I tone it, and I moisturize it, and that is it. I have posted a skincare routine before, so I will have it linked in the cards if you want to check it out. But my go-to is always CeraVe for my moisturizer and my cleanser, and then I use the Ordinary for my toner. So very simple. I love washing my face at the end of the day, getting all that sweat off of it, because like I said, I do 2 workouts a day. So skincare is very simple, very normal. I usually put on a TikTok or leave the TV show on while I do my skincare just to have some background noise on. And I personally prefer to wash my face before I get into the shower. I don't know if that's weird, but if I don't wash it before, I'm just not going to wash it at all. And then now it's time for my shower routine. Now, I think I have posted a shower routine before, but if y'all want like an in-depth video of everything that I do, let me know. And then after the shower, it is time to moisturize. Now, you can always tell a woman's age by her hands and her neck. So I am always oiling up that neck. The second I get out the shower, that neck gets some oil on it. So let me know if y'all do that as well, or if I'm just paranoid about my skin sagging, because I just don't want a long neck, okay? And then after that, I like to just wind down a little bit and indulge in a little bit of entertainment. So scrolling on TikTok, watching my favorite shows like Next Level Chef, or reading a book. So for TV shows, I usually lean on one of those cooking shows, or I'll watch my favorite content creators. I love Tanika B, Madison Denise, or like I said, I'll read a book. Right now I'm reading, what is it called? Restore Me by J.L. Seegers. Y'all, this book, let me know if y'all want a full in-depth review. I don't think y'all care enough about me reading books to get my opinion on this book. So far, it's really good. I think I only have like 1 or 2 chapters left. I'm definitely trying to finish the book before the end of May. It is a little spicy. I cannot wait to finish it to see how it will end. And then I'm definitely going to have to get number 2 because I think it's like a whole series. But after I read a little bit of that, it is time to eat my dinner. Y'all know I love a good meal prep. So I'm usually never cooking throughout the week because I meal prep on the weekends. And this day I had some trout and some green beans and some peppers. I know it didn't look that appetizing, but I promise it was so good. And then after I eat, I take care of my oral hygiene. Do plan on doing a full oral hygiene routine because, as y'all know, I have braces now, so my routine has definitely changed a lot. At the moment, I only have braces on the top row, so when I get the braces on the bottom row, I will do a full oral hygiene routine with braces. It has been very time consuming flossing my top row. Usually I would floss very quickly and be in and out of the bathroom within like 5 minutes. I feel like I'm in the bathroom at least for like 15 minutes now, brushing my teeth and flossing, because you have to, it's a whole process. So I will do a full oral hygiene routine when I get those bottom row braces. And then after that, it is time to relax. So let me know what y'all like to do every night for your routine. And let me know if you will be taking advantage of my routine.